This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Circle so it can read and search your screen content. This saves time. First, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility or Quick Settings, then toggle Circle on. Once done, grant microphone and overlay permissions when asked. Circle needs both to capture voice and show results over apps. Make sure to pin Circle to Quick Settings for instant access. This step reduces friction. You won't interrupt workflow later, and it prepares the phone to accept the search trigger immediately. Now you trigger Circle from Quick Settings or your chosen long press gesture, which opens the overlay quickly. You can speak or type a concise query. Use keywords for better precision because Circle prioritizes short terms. Once results appear, refine using built-in filters, apps, web messages, and files to narrow data sources. If a result is cluttered, tap the app icon to jump to the original content. This flow keeps searches focused and faster and helps you locate exactly what you need without sifting manually. To finish, open the best result and take action. Copy, share, or tap to navigate into the app. This completes the task. If Circle is unresponsive, first toggle permissions off and on, then restart the app. Often a quick reset fixes temporary hangs. If problems persist, clear Circle's cache or check for updates, because outdated files or versions cause recurring issues. Remember this key troubleshooting tip. Verify overlay and mic permissions first. Most failures trace back to missing permissions, not hardware breakdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.